Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer to make a portfolio. First, select a template or start fresh with a blank canvas. Framer offers hundreds of pre-built components to accelerate your design process. Next, organize your projects into clear, logical sections. Think about your personal brand and how you want your work to be perceived. This initial setup is crucial for a cohesive and professional presentation. Now, let's focus on crafting compelling project pages. Use high-resolution images and videos to visually represent your best work. Each project should feature a concise case study, approximately 100 to 150 words, explaining your process and outcomes. Clearly articulate your specific role and contributions within each team project. This detail helps potential clients understand your unique value. To make your portfolio truly stand out, focus on enhancing the user experience. Implement smooth animations and transitions between sections to guide visitors seamlessly. Framer makes it easy to ensure your site is fully responsive, looking great on screens from mobile phones to large desktops. Consider adding interactive elements, such as hover effects, to engage your audience further. These details elevate your presentation. Finally, it's time to launch your impressive portfolio. Optimize your site for fast loading speeds. A delay of even 1 second can impact user retention. Connect a custom domain, like yourname.com, for a truly professional and memorable online presence. Once live, actively share your portfolio across all your professional networks, including LinkedIn and Behance, to maximize its reach and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.